we continue to track the spread of COVID-19 across Tennessee. And today, Williamson Medical Center telling News 2 more and more of their COVID-19 patients need breathing machines. As of yesterday, 38 patients were hospitalized with the virus. Of those, 31 were unvaccinated. 6 of those patients are on ventilators currently, and the medical center says all 6 patients are unvaccinated. Doctors warn the increased number of patients requiring advanced medical intervention is putting a strain on the availability of their equipment. And Tennessee is now leading the nation in new daily COVID-19 cases, and children make up 40% of those cases. The news comes as Governor Lee stands firm on his decision to allow parents to opt their children out of school mask mandates. State Capitol Newsroom reporter Gerald Harris is live as some are calling on the governor to do more. Gerald.
Yeah, Alex, and the new call is coming from someone inside the governor's own party. Former U.S. Senator Bill Frist, who is also a doctor and a Republican, says that the governor needs to step up in addressing this virus. Now tweeting, taken to social media, saying it's time our leaders did more to prevent community spread and encourage Tennesseans to take the life-protecting step for them and for others of getting vaccinated. Without action, hundreds, even thousands will needlessly die whose lives could have been saved.
As residents of Nashville or Tennessee, we need to just wear a mask, do safe distancing, and it's no time to let your guard down.
A third of those cases are occurring in school-age children, and that's bad on a number of fronts. First of all, it makes our schools unsafe environments right now for both teachers and students. There are some things we can do to mitigate that. We need to have temporary mask requirements in place.
Now, Dr. Jason Martin is an ICU doctor in Sumner County running for governor as a Democrat. He says Governor Lee should immediately return control back to local school districts. But Lee, again, is sticking with this strategy, saying it's about parent choices when it comes to health decisions. And as you heard Alex allude to earlier, the State Department of Health is reporting 90% of the people hospitalized are unvaccinated that have COVID. In downtown Nashville, Gerald Harris, News 2.
Yes, Gerald, thank you. And in Knox County, parents of 3 students have filed a lawsuit against the governor, claiming that their children are unable to safely attend school. All 3 of the students have disabilities or chronic illnesses. And according to the suit, Lee's executive order allowing parents to opt their children out of school mask mandates is a violation of federal law. The parents are calling for a temporary halt to the executive order. They also want a judge to enforce a mask mandate in Knox County schools so their children can safely attend class.